subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Samsung is reported to launch the successor of its last year's launched Galaxy A40 smartphone as Galaxy A41. And before the official launch, the key specifications and renders of the phone has surfaced online. According to leaks, the Galaxy A41 will support 6 or 6.1-inch Infinity U display with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by MediaTek's Helio P65 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM. The smartphone is expected to have 64 or 128GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A41 will support triple camera setup on the rear including LED flash in a squarish module. The triple rear cameras will feature 48 megapixel main camera and the other two camera details were not known at the moment, but it will likely include ultra wide angle lens plus depth sensor. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 out of the box based on Samsung's One UI skin on top. The device is said to come equipped by 3500 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging support. Notably, the leak renders doesn't show any physical fingerprint sensor, which means the upcoming phone may support in-display fingerprint sensor. The connectivity option on the phone will include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A41 has leaked so far, and we expect the smartphone to launch anytime soon. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A41 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.